Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to enable web content filtering on iOS devices with Scalefusion UEM. To enable web content filtering on your iOS devices, go to Device Profile and click on Edit for the profile where you want to enable content filtering. Navigate to Restrictions and select Content Filtering. Enable Configure Content Filtering. Here, you can choose between three options: to allow access to allowed websites only, limit access to adult websites, or you can choose to just add the web shortcuts for URLs that you allow. Now, click on Update Profile and select Allowed Websites from the left menu. Click on Allow Website and enter the website name and link. Now, click on Apple Settings from where you can configure additional settings and then proceed to save the added website. Once done, click on Publish and select the device profiles where you want to allow the website. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Scalefusion's YouTube channel for more such videos.